Welcome to World Cooking at Reflections en Route. Today we're going to be cooking up one of my favorite treats from Holland, the Dutch Pannekoeken, or Pannekoeken for plural. These little pancakes are kind of crepe-like. They can be savory, they can be sweet. We usually like to have one savory that we share and then one sweet that we share. So today our savory is going to be ham and cheese. All right, we'll start with the eggs. Making these Dutch pancakes is fairly simple. It's just a flour, egg, and milk recipe. 2 eggs. Half milk. Get it whipping in, really good. Pancakes do tend to be quite a bit thinner than an American buttermilk pancake. But then again, they're also made to have toppings or fillings. Mix in the flour. Spoon might get a little bit small. Just mix it in until everything's combined. And a pretty good amount of butter. Okay, we're going to add about 1 cup of the batter. And then right away we'll start adding our ham slices. Should do it. It's looking pretty good so far. You want to get it to brown pretty good on the bottom. You're looking for these little bubbles to start appearing. Gives you a good indication that it's cooking and ready, almost ready to flip. The edges start to brown up a little bit. That's perfect. I think we're going to try and flip it. That's a pretty good flip. And it looks beautiful. Looking good. Throw on some cheese. Let that melt on. We'll turn it down this last bit while the cheese melts. Alright, that's ready to come off, and great. And there we have it. 1 ham and cheese pannekoeken ready to eat. Alright, so let's try out this ham and cheese pannekoeken. It's a little bit thinner, like I said, than a regular American buttermilk pancake. And the idea of eating a savory pancake might seem a little strange. But I have to tell you, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, that is delicious.